Hello everyone. Today I'll walk you through how we can display the views in Power BI Desktop. So once you open your Power BI Desktop, you can see the left three icons. One is a report view where you can build your dashboard based on your requirements. And second is table view where you can see your tables data and you can analyze your data and you can filter out the data based on your scenarios. And these are the two tables. If I want to look at this data, I can go to the table view and I can see the data. All the tables it will appear and you can see the all the data here. Next, third, model view where you can relate the tables between the one table to other table. Let's say example, you want to build some kind of dashboard which user asking you to build from orders tables to people's table. Now scenario in the category, I want to see this particular region persons. So how do you do that, right? So this is the relation we should provide to the two tables. Anywhere if you want to do the relationship between the two tables in the SQL also, we should join together, right? In the Power BI we do have a option called model view where you can see the tables and relate them together. Now I want to look at this basic thumb rule. We have to take difference between the two tables in the common column between the two tables, right? So if you want to relate these two tables, I want to see the common column between the tables. Let's say now in this particular scenario, I have a region column in this people table and also I have a region column in the order table. This is the two common columns between the two table. Just simply I can drag and drop here, and Power BI too smart, you can see this automatically build the relationship. Now we have to discuss few things here to understand little bit the relation how it works here. Let's say I have built this relation between the two common column between the tables. Region is equal to region, right? Now if you look at this specific icon here, it's a star icon. Star means in the Power BI we call it as a many. Many means in this order table regions are multiple times it is placed. It means region might be four regions: east, west, north, south. It's not be unique records, it will be multiple records. That's called as a many. If I go to here, it's a one. One means only counted. It means only distinct count. What are the values are there in the region? In the people table it shows only single record. That's why it is represented in a single. So Power BI is too smart to identify this relation, and we have to discuss about this little icon. It's coming from the this way, right? If I go here, this is traveling from one to this arrow mark is coming from the downs to many. It means whenever user filter out any data, it should take from the region and he should filter out from the region and he should get the values from the many side. Basically this thumb rule will be always filters and slicer whatever we use, it takes from the one and it filters the many. So that is called as, we call as a one to many relationship. We do have a multiple relations. When you double click you can see here, see I just given the very drag and drop, right? So here you can give you manually where you can relate these two tables. Region is equal to region, that's what it is saying. And we do have multiple relations, but let's stick with the one to many relation as of now. And we do have a single direction. When I give the both and hit OK, it changes. Now the tables will interact from this many to one, one to many. This is coming from this side, also this side. So it means you can take the slicer here also and filter out the values, because here you have a many values, here you have a one value, right? So now we'll simply create one report, a very basic manner. Just I'll add the report and I'll take some records from the category and I'll take from sales here, right? So I have a two records from office and technology, right? And again this is single table I am taking from the two columns. If I click here, this is sales is categories coming from the order table itself. Let's say what about when I take the region from here? It works. See, these two are into the east region. Now let's take another scenario. I'll delete the relationship between the two tables. Okay, let's see what happens now. Some magic will happen here. See, because This table doesn't know what exactly the common column between the two tables. They don't know order and people table how will talk. It won't talk and it won't give you any result, right? It's the basic behavior. That's why we should give the relation between the two tables when you are creating your visual to interact different tables in the Power BI. I hope this is understand for everyone. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.